everyone, this is Sanisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you guys are watching me after a really long time, but finally I'm back with an interesting topic after a long time, I know. Okay, so now as you guys have already read the title of this video, it's going to be on how I click myself portraits at home. So I'm going to share with you 3 basic ideas of how I photo shoot at home. So before we start the video, I'm going to tell you I'm not going to use any DSLRs or any hi-fi cameras and all. I'll be clicking all the photos today with this phone. This is Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and I'll be using the front camera. Also, I'm not going to use any tripods to support my phone or ring lights or some extra lights for the photo. I'm going to arrange some basic jugards which I had been doing and I still do, and I think that really makes my photo come out not bad. Let's get started to the video. Starting with the first idea, I have seen this idea in a lot of YouTube channel. I have tried it out and it came out to be pretty cool. For this I need the flashlight of my phone, and yeah, you can make this with peach board or cardboard, a circular or cylindrical sort of a structure. I have made this with calendar. The idea is to stick this at the back of your phone so that it can direct the light in a proper circular manner. Like I'll show you on the wall behind me. You can see it is creating a circular light, this sort of. So my idea is to click photo over there. So I'll show you the setup in detail, but the basic thing is this. So here I have stuck the cylinder at the back of my phone, and this is the entire setup. I have supported the phone with my bottle, and the second phone is gonna be placed there on the second bottle. And as you can see, I have made it with pillows and blankets, and that's how the reflection is falling on the wall. So my jugards here are books, blankets, pillows and bottles, and that's how I'll shoot this pic today. So moving on to the next idea, this is very natural and basic because I'll shoot this in sunlight, in daylight, and I'll get the maximum of it in my terrace. So I'm going to shoot this pic in my terrace. Now the basic idea over here is to have a monochrome wall, something that contrasts with your outfit. Also it's going to be an outfit based photo because I'm going to have a full body length picture this time. So make sure you have the best of your outfit on and move up to the terrace, stand in front of the wall or background and just start posing. So in this case I'll be wearing a pink colored sari because I thought of giving up some traditional vibes, and I'm going to show you in detail what are my setups at the terrace. So yeah, let's get started with it. So all I have here is a chair and a container. I'll support my phone at this container, and yeah, this is the wall I was talking about. I'll stand here and get my photo clicked from there. So now moving on to the final and the third idea. This is very basic and simple. It's just that you have to sit on the floor and pose. Again, your outfit going to play a very important role here because your outfit going to define your body and the photo as well in this case. This time I've thought to play a bit with the background. So I have thought of arranging a white colored background because that was really going well with my outfit, because this time I'm wearing a nude colored jumpsuit. Now if you have a white colored wall, if you have a white colored cloth also as your background, then it's perfect. But since I don't have a proper white colored cloth to be hung as my background, so I have a whitish bedsheet over here that I have used as a background, and then I have few birthday streamers which I just had thought of making a festive idea or something of that sort of. So I have just hung the streamers on my bedsheet, but this is my way. I'll show you in detail on how I have done it. So I have stuck the bedsheet on the rope, and this is how it looks like. I don't have a more whiter bedsheet. And now I'll hang the streamers one by one. Now I have set my phone on the support of a chair and I'm going to shoot this pic in close zoom, and this is how it goes. Alright, so that's it guys. This was very few basic 3 ideas that I use a lot in clicking pictures and I thought of sharing with you all. Hope you all liked this video. If you all liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you all didn't like it, it's naturally gonna hit the unlike button, so I welcome that as well. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I keep on updating my self-portrait ideas, so follow me there. And do let me know in the comment section on how the video was, and if you want more videos on this topic or on some other topic. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do that. I think that's what the YouTubers say generally, to subscribe to their channel. So yeah, please do that to me as well. Alright, so that's it, and that's all for today guys. I'm gonna see you very soon on my next video. Till then, goodbye.